Hi guys, how's everyone? This is Shira. Today I'll be showing you how I do my demo trading in IQ option. So today is January 13 in Philippines. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. So the market is OTC. So I'm using Bollinger Band, double Bollinger Band, and stochastic. So what I made is I traded the lower or put because the main trend of the market as of this moment is uptrend. But then I have seen a strong resistance in here following with this engulfing bar, and we call it so yeah, I have seen this evening star, which a bearish reversal pattern that usually occurs at the top of an uptrend. So this is consists of three candles. The first one is a bullish one, and then the second one will be bearish or bullish, but it should be small, and then the last one should be bearish, a big one. So it is a sign of reversal. That's it.